Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on wedding guest makeup. I always have people when I go to weddings ask, what kind of makeup should I normally be doing when I go to a wedding? And I like to keep my makeup really simple, so this is what this tutorial is going to be like. Let's just get started and ignore my hair because I usually like to just curl my hair, then do my makeup, then do my hair. I don't know why I do it that way. I've always done it that way. So here it is. So I'm going to start with the Stay Don't Stray by Benefit and then use my LC Minimalist palette. I'm going to use the Blank Start first, and then I'm going to use the tan shade to kind of add some color in my crease. You don't have to be too exact with this. I always like to make mine just kind of messy and just kind of pack it in the crease area. Next, we're going to use the shade Warmth. It's a little red tone. A lot of people who are a more cool undertone may not want to use this one, but I find that it works for me because I'm a brunette. And I'm just going to do the same thing, just pack it on in the crease area, and then take a fluffy brush and blend it all together. Then I'm going to take this little pencil brush, just a little definer one, and take the dark brown, and I'm just going to work it in my outer V area really slowly, and just pack it all in there until I get a color I like. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy brush again, this one's smaller, and I'm just going to work it right there in the outer V. Lastly, I'm going to take the Smoke Out, which is the black color in the palette, and I'm going to just kind of smoke it along my lash line really softly, and then blend it along my lower lash line as well. Then I'm going to take a little fluffy brush and I'm just going to add some of those brown colors in the palette, and I'm just going to kind of blend it again just to make sure everything's blended really well. And I do like to kind of blow it out underneath my eyes a little bit and smoke it just to add a little more depth there. I went ahead and did my brows off camera, I always do, and there is my NARS Longwear foundation. I'm loving this foundation. It stays. I don't have to use a primer with it, which I know is a sin, but I don't use one. But it just covers up all the redness. It is a medium to heavy coverage, which I like. Some people don't, but again, I love it. So I'm just going to put this all over my face. I like to work in sections with the Beauty Blender, especially when I'm using a foundation that's matte and kind of dries quickly. Next, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I have it in Fair Light. It's actually a little bit too light for me now that it's going to get kind of, now that it's, oh my god, I can't talk today. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm just going to blend it all along my highlight area, under eyes, center of my forehead, etc. I'm going to do the Hoola and take my Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and I'm going to just put it all along the outsides of my face and work it kind of in my cheekbone area. I'm not going to be really exact with this. I'm going to be a little bit messy. I just want to kind of get a little definition so that you kind of see some color there. Next, I'm going to take my favorite blush of the hour, the Butter Blush by Physicians Formula. I'm going to pat it on the apples of my cheeks, and then I'm going to put a little highlight, because you know I can't live without that, on pretty much everywhere over my face. Then for my lip color, I just went with Really Me by MAC. It's just a really neutral shade. It blends with everything. Okay guys, so hair and makeup is finished. This is the finished look with my dress and everything. Max just woke up. He's watching Mickey Mouse. So if you can hear that, I do not own the rights to the Mickey Mouse theme song. Yes, so anyway. Oh, and Kellen woke up too. How about that? Look, I'm momming again. Come here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm back to being a mom again. Please let me know if you guys want to see any other looks. I'd be happy to do it for you. So this is it, I guess. Bye.